Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the top 10 best free websites to learn coding in 2023. Learning to code can seem daunting, but there are plenty of free resources available to help you get started. These websites offer tutorials, exercises, and challenges to help you master different programming languages. So without further ado, let's get started with our list. 1. Udacity. Udacity is an online education provider that offers free courses in web development, artificial intelligence, and data science. Their courses are designed by industry experts and include real-world projects to give you hands-on experience. They also offer paid programs where you can earn certificates and even degrees. One of the benefits of Udacity is that their courses are designed to be flexible, so you can learn at your own pace. They also offer personalized feedback and support from mentors to help you succeed. Another advantage of Udacity is that their courses are project-based, which means you'll have the opportunity to apply what you've learned to real-world problems. Some of the courses offered by Udacity include full-stack web developer, data analyst, and machine learning engineer. They also offer a variety of nanodegree programs, which are series of courses designed to give you a deeper understanding of a specific topic. 2. Codecademy. Codecademy is a non-profit organization that offers courses in computer programming and computer science, as well as math, science, and humanities. Their courses are self-paced and interactive, and they use videos, articles, and coding exercises to help you learn. They also offer personalized learning dashboards and progress tracking. One of the advantages of Codecademy is that their courses are designed to be accessible to learners of all ages and skill levels. They also offer a variety of courses in other subjects, so you can broaden your knowledge while you learn to code. Another benefit of Codecademy is that they have a strong community where you can connect with other learners and mentors. 3. freecodecamp. freecodecamp is a non-profit organization that offers a full-stack web development curriculum, as well as courses in data visualization and quality assurance. Their courses are project-based and include challenges to help you apply what you've learned. They also have a strong community where you can connect with other learners and mentors. One of the benefits of freecodecamp is that their courses are designed to give you real-world experience, so you can build a portfolio of projects to showcase to potential employers. They also offer a variety of certifications, including the full-stack web development certification, which can help you demonstrate your skills to employers. Some of the courses offered by freecodecamp include responsive web design, JavaScript algorithms and data structures, and APIs and microservices. 4. Coursera. Coursera is an online education provider that offers courses and specializations from top universities and companies, including IBM, Google, and Microsoft. Their courses are self-paced and include video lectures, quizzes, and assignments. They also offer professional certificates and online degrees. One of the benefits of Coursera is that their courses are designed by top universities and industry experts, so you can be confident that you're learning from the best. They also offer a wide variety of courses in other subjects, so you can broaden your knowledge while you learn to code. Some of the courses offered by Coursera include Introduction to Computer Science and Programming, Web Development, and Machine Learning. 5. MIT OpenCourseWare. MIT OpenCourseWare is a free and open educational resource that offers free courses in computer science and engineering, including their popular Introduction to Computer Science and Programming. Their courses include video lectures, assignments, and exams. They also have a wide variety of courses available in other subjects. One of the benefits of MIT OpenCourseWare is that their courses are designed by top professors at MIT, so you can be sure that you're getting a high-quality education. They also offer a variety of resources, including lecture notes, problem sets, and exams. 6. edX is an online education provider that offers courses and programs from top universities and institutions, including Harvard, MIT, and Microsoft. Their courses include video lectures, interactive quizzes, and hands-on projects. They also offer professional certificates and online degrees. One of the benefits of edX is that their courses are designed by top universities and industry experts, so you can be sure that you're getting a high-quality education. They also offer a wide variety of courses in other subjects, so you can broaden your knowledge while you learn to code. Another advantage of X is that they offer professional certificates and online degrees, which can help you demonstrate your skills to potential employers. Some of the courses offered by X include Introduction to Computer Science and Programming using Python, Full-Stack Web Development with React, and Machine Learning with Python, from linear models to deep learning. 7. Codecademy. Codecademy is an online education provider that offers courses in web development, data science, and computer science. Their courses include interactive coding exercises and projects, and they also offer personalized feedback and support. They also have a strong community where you can connect with other learners and mentors. One of the benefits of Codecademy is that their courses are designed to be interactive and engaging, which can help you stay motivated as you learn. They also offer a variety of courses in other subjects, so you can broaden your knowledge while you learn to code. Another advantage of Codecademy is that they offer a pro version, which includes additional features and support. Some of the courses offered by Codecademy include Learn HTML, Learn Python 3, and Learn JavaScript. 8. W3 Schools. W3 Schools is a free online learning platform that offers courses in web development, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP. Their courses include interactive coding exercises and quizzes, and they also offer a reference library with detailed information on web development topics. One of the benefits of W3 Schools is that their courses are designed to be easy to understand and follow, which can make them a good option for beginners. They also offer a reference library, which can be a valuable resource as you continue to learn and develop your skills. Another advantage of W3 Schools is that they offer a variety of certifications, including the HTML Developer Certificate, the CSS Developer Certificate, and the JavaScript Developer Certificate. These certifications can help you demonstrate your skills to potential employers. 9. GitHub Learning Lab. GitHub Learning Lab is a free online learning platform that offers courses in programming and software development, including courses on Git, GitHub, and coding best practices. Their courses include interactive coding exercises and projects, and they also offer personalized feedback and support. One of the benefits of GitHub Learning Lab is that their courses are designed to be hands-on and practical, which can help you develop real-world skills. They also offer a variety of courses in other subjects, so you can broaden your knowledge while you learn to code. Another advantage of GitHub Learning Lab is that they offer a variety of resources, including a community forum and a library of open-source projects. This can be a valuable resource as you continue to develop your skills and build your portfolio. 10. Geeks4Geeks. Geeks4Geeks is a free online learning platform that offers a vast collection of courses and resources for computer science students and professionals. They also offer courses in data structures and algorithms, web development, machine learning, and computer science fundamentals. Each course is designed to be comprehensive, with detailed explanations, examples, and quizzes to test your understanding of the material. One advantage of Geeks4Geeks is their vast collection of coding challenges and practice problems. These challenges are designed to help you improve your coding skills and apply the concepts you've learned in real-world scenarios. The website also hosts coding contests and hackathons, which can be a great way to showcase your skills and network with other programmers. Geeks4Geeks also offers a job portal, which can be a valuable resource for job seekers in the technology industry. The portal features job listings from top companies, as well as interview questions and coding challenges to help you prepare for technical interviews. In addition to their courses and resources, Geeks4Geeks has a popular blog that covers a wide variety of topics related to computer science and technology. The blog features articles on coding best practices, career advice, industry news, and more. The website also hosts webinars and workshops on a variety of topics, which can be a great way to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies in the field. So there you have it, our top 10 best free websites to learn coding in 2023. We hope this list helps you on your coding journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.